Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate pages and content in Squarespace 7.1. This is an incredibly useful feature when you want to maintain consistent design across your site or quickly replicate layouts without starting from scratch. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and projects. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to duplicate pages and content. This will open up that specific site's management interface, giving you access to all the tools you need. Now look over to the left side menu and click on Website. Under that option, you'll see a submenu appear. From there, click on Pages. This section is where all your site's pages are organized, and it's the hub for managing your site structure. To duplicate an entire page, you first need to locate the specific page you want to duplicate from your list. Once you've found it, click the gear icon that appears beside it. This will open up the page settings, giving you access to various configuration options for that particular page. Now scroll down through the settings until you find the option labeled Duplicate Page. Once you see it, go ahead and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify this action. Click Confirm to proceed. Squarespace will then create an exact copy of that page, including all its content and layout settings. This newly duplicated page will appear in your pages list, ready for you to customize or use as is. Now let's move on to duplicating content within a page. Click on any of your pages from the list, then click Edit. This will open the page editor where you can modify all the elements on that page. Select any content block or element that you want to duplicate, then click the duplicate icon. This will instantly create a copy of that element right below or beside the original. Here's a handy trick if you need to duplicate multiple elements at once. Click on one element to select it, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on another element you want to include. This allows you to select multiple elements simultaneously. Once you've selected all the elements you want, simply click the duplicate icon and all of them will be copied together. This saves a tremendous amount of time when you're working with complex layouts. That's it. Once everything looks good to you and you're satisfied with your duplicated pages and content, click Save to finalize all your changes. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.